When Dr. Evelyn Harker first stared at the data on her monitor, she thought it was a calibration error. The satellite feed from the orbital observatory showed strange distortions in Earth's magnetosphere, perfectly rhythmic pulses that were too regular to be natural but too immense to be artificial. They repeated every 12 hours, like a colossal heartbeat echoing through the planet. She checked the instruments twice, then 3 more times, but the pattern didn't change. Something inside Earth itself was pulsing, alive in a way no geologist could explain. At first, she told no one. A discovery this strange would ruin her career if it proved false. But the pulses grew stronger, and soon other stations across the globe reported anomalies, ocean currents reversing momentarily, animals migrating erratically, earthquakes in places that had no fault lines. It was as if Earth was twitching. She finally shared her theory with Marcus, her closest colleague. He laughed at first, but the recordings silenced him. "You're saying Earth is alive?" he whispered, half in awe, half in fear. Evelyn hesitated. Not alive like forests or ecosystems, alive like a single organism, a cell, one cell in something far larger. The more they studied, the more the pieces fell into place. The magnetic field behaved like a cell membrane, shielding us from external harm. The tectonic plates shifted like slow cytoplasmic currents. Even the moon's orbit seemed less like coincidence and more like part of a molecular structure, orbiting as if tethered to something unseen. Then the real shock came. Evelyn noticed that the pulses grew stronger whenever humans launched rockets beyond Earth's orbit, as though the planet resisted being pierced. The latest attempt at colonizing Mars had triggered the most violent quake in centuries. It was as if Earth's body rejected foreign objects, the way an immune system fought infections. Humanity wasn't just harming the planet, we might be threatening the stability of the larger being of which Earth was a part. One night, Evelyn dreamed of a vast expanse beyond space. She saw Earth as a glowing sphere, connected by faint strands of energy to other luminous worlds. Together they formed the building blocks of something enormous, something incomprehensible. In the dream, she felt herself drifting through endless darkness, until the strands converged into the outline of a colossal figure. Earth wasn't a planet. It was a cell in the bloodstream of a cosmic body so immense that galaxies themselves were just clusters of organs. When she woke, she found Marcus in the lab staring pale-faced at the new data. "Evelyn," he muttered. "The pulses, they've changed. They're accelerating, like something is waking up." Governments panicked as the anomalies escalated. Storms tore through continents with terrifying precision. As if guided, volcanoes erupted in synchronized patterns. And then, without warning, the stars themselves shifted. Constellations bent, their light distorted as though Earth was moving. No, not Earth, but the body Earth belonged to. Evelyn tried to warn the leaders. "We are inside something alive. Our actions may be stimulating it, and it's starting to respond." They dismissed her as insane, until entire satellites vanished, crushed by sudden distortions in space. The final revelation came when she studied the energy signatures from the latest pulse. It wasn't random. It carried information, sequences resembling DNA. Earth wasn't only alive, it was coded. Each world was a cell containing strands of a universal genome. Humanity had mistaken evolution as random chance, when it was actually the programmed growth of a cosmic being. And then, the twist Evelyn dreaded most unfolded. In the heart of the data, beyond the noise of the pulses, she found a message, not one written for humans, but one they had accidentally decoded. Like bacteria reading the faint vibrations of a voice, the message repeated endlessly, simple but chilling. "The host is stirring, prepare for division." The meaning was clear. Earth was about to divide. Like a cell in mitosis, humanity would not survive the process as we knew it. All our history, our wars, our triumphs and dreams, were nothing more than fleeting chemical reactions inside a body that was finally, after billions of years, ready to grow. Evelyn stood on the observatory balcony the night it began, watching the moon split in two as strands of light stretched across the sky. For a brief moment she wondered if the new daughter cells would carry fragments of human memory within them, or if everything humanity ever was would vanish like a spark swallowed by a living cosmos. And as the earth trembled beneath her feet, she realized with a terrible calm that the universe was not a place we lived in, it was a body we belonged to.